Why did this bug only appear after I optimized the equality operator? Well, let's put the food equality operator back to how I originally wrote it, calling the static objects.equals method. By the way, I've also removed all the breakpoints from the last clip. The reason this code works correctly is that the static objects.equals method calls the virtual objects.equals method to do the equality logic. And because the virtual objects.equals method is, well, virtual, it's guaranteed to end up on the correct override. I'll show you. I'll put a breakpoint back in the main method so we can run the code again to the point where we compare stewed apple and baked apple. And now I'll put a breakpoint back in the food equality operator and another breakpoint in the cooked food equals method. And continue the code. We've hit the equality operator breakpoint with arguments baked apple and stewed apple. I'll step into that. And we've hit the cooked food equals method. And if we look at the call stack, you can see food operator equals, that's the equality operator. Then external code, that's the objects.equals static method. And then the correct overridden equals call, which does know how to compare cooked food instances. So I'll stop the code and restart it not in the debugger. And we get the correct results now. So the lesson here is if you want your equality operator to work properly with inheritance, then you must have it call into something that's virtual to do the equality logic. And the easiest way to achieve that is to call the static equals method. That's why for reference types, your equality logic really has to go in the virtual equals method, not in the operator or anywhere else.